Hi, I'm Dwayne, and this is my mom, Josephine.
Hi there.
Today, we're going to be speaking about this beautiful plant and more plants to come in the future as well, so I hope that you find this information useful. I see this beautiful plant here. Tell me about it.
Well, this is Hydrangea Macrophylla,
Okay.
also known as Hortensia. It is a indoor plant and an outdoor plant.
Okay, and what does it require?
Hydrangeas are intolerant of dry conditions, so the compost is not allowed to dry out. It needs a lot of water, so we have to water it, and we can water it or from here, or we put it in a bucket of water
Okay.
and leave it there for about 5 minutes, and then we let it drain.
All right.
Hydrangeas also, we can put it indoors, but when it is indoors, the flowers last for about 3 to 4 weeks. When it is outdoors, because it likes cool condition, the flowers last for about 8 weeks.
Okay.
When it is dormant, we do not water it. Okay?
Okay.
We know that it is dormant because it stops flowering. The flowers start to fade out, okay? And then we can prune it.
All right.
We can prune it and use the flowers. We don't throw it away. We can dry them and put them for decoration.
Okay.
Like you can paint them gold or silver, and you can decorate with them.
Nice.
Every year, we repot the plant into one size bigger than the pot as it is in it. Okay? But when they are in a tub, a big pot, no repotting is needed. But we can top dress.
Okay.
It means that we take the surface of the compost, which is on the surface, and we put a new compost.
All right.
Okay? It is important when repotting that in the pot we put some drainage materials in it. The compost that we use has to be lime-free compost because these are lime-hating plants.
Okay.
Okay? Even the water has to be soft water. It means from the well or humidifier, air condition, but not from the tap. Okay?
All right. Why do the leaves turn yellow sometimes?
They turn yellow because they are in the dark.
All right.
So what you have to do is to put it in a place where there is good light, but not direct sunlight.
Okay. And what can I do when the plant collapses?
When the plant collapses, it's because it is very, very dry. Okay? So what we have to do, we treat it by plunge it in a bucket of water. We keep it there for about 30 minutes, and it comes back into life. But that doesn't help. If possible, do not do that. Don't let it dry out completely,
All right.
or else you are shortening its life.
Why does sometimes there are brown spots on the leaves?
Brown spots on leaves is because there is fungal infection. So you have to dust the leaves with flowers of sulfur.
All right. Why do leaves turn brown and crisp?
They turn brown and crisp because the air is too dry. So you move it into cooler place and spray all around with soft water.
And why are young leaves sticky sometimes?
They got sticky because of green insects, so you have to spray insecticide and cut those leaves, cut them off, you know.
Does it have to be soft water?
It is very important to use soft water. Otherwise, the leaves turns yellow, okay? The smaller leaves turn yellow, whilst the bigger, the veins shows. That is a sign that you are using hard water. So it is very important to use soft water.
How can I propagate this plant?
You can propagate during March or April, taking cuttings with 2 pairs of leaves in gentle heat in a propagator. Hydrangeas are available with pink, blue and white flowers. Pink flowers may be changed to blue by adding aluminium sulfate to the soil, while blue ones may be changed to pink by adding of iron.
This is our first video, so we really appreciate your support. So please like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching it. And thanks for watching. Also, Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Thank you, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.